Hello everyone, welcome to Gamya Tutorials. Today topic General Science Part 1 and important questions previous years 2018, 2016 and 2014. ఇది ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ అండ్ పార్ట్ వైజ్గా నేను ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చేసి వీడియోస్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్, లైక్ ఇట్ అండ్ షేర్ ఇట్. విల్ స్టార్ట్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Okay, sound is a mechanical wave. If a body is whirled in a circle, the work done on it 0. Metals can be given different shapes according to our needs because they possess the properties of malleability and ductility. Which metals is a liquid at room temperature? That is called mercury. Okay. What is the center of curvature of a spherical mirror? It is a center of hollow sphere which the spherical mirror is a part. Okay. The motile germ cell is called a male gamete. Darkness can be controlled by treating plant will be gibberellic acid, which is the commonly used as an indicator to measure the exact pH, universal indicator. Aluminum oxide is a amphoteric. One second. What is the atomicity of phosphorus? Tera atomic. The egg is carried from the ovary to throw worm through oviduct. Plant tissue is capable of cell division, that is meristem. Classification is based on atomic number, modern periodic table, which is used in the preparation of tin culture, iodine, cough syrup and many tonics, ethanol. The number of electrons that can be accommodated in the M shell, 18. Okay. Which part of human reproductive system help the embryo get the nutrition from mother blood, placenta? An object having a mass m moving with a velocity v possesses a kinetic energy. Its velocity is double its kinetic energy will becomes 4k. What is the principle of focus of a spherical mirror? It is a point on the principal axis through which rays of light parallel to the principal axis passes after reflection or appears to be arising from this point on the principal axis. Okay. So next to the mass of one molecule of oxygen is 5.3 into 10 to the power of minus 23 grams. Which metals reacts vigorously with cold water? That is potassium. The universal natural oxygen of plants is IAA. Definition of force can be stated from Newton's second law of motion. Which has low resistivity? Nichrome. Which animal can change its sex? Snail. Okay, next. Growth hormone function sometimes as growth promoters and sometimes as the growth inhibitors. Which permanent tissue makes a plant hard and stiff? Sclerenchyma. A sound of single frequency is called tone. Salt is acidic in nature, magnesium, that is sulfate. The essential organs in a flower for reproduction are stamen and pistil. The energy stored in dry cell is in the form of chemical energy. Form of chemical energy. Okay. Next to the 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. The credit of classifying the elements on the basis of the atomic masses going to Dmitry Mendeleev. The tendency of undistributed object to stay at rest or to keep moving with the same velocity is called inertia. Which metal does not react with the or hot water, that is aluminum. The pH value increases from 7 to 14 represent is increases OH negative ion concentration. Okay. Next. Which which allows this special color depending on the name of gas in the fluorescent tube, that is plasma. Metals are placed on which side of the modern periodic table? Left side. Metal oxide which reacts with acid as well as base are called amorphic oxides. In a plant which is converted into seed, that is bubble, what enables an electric current to flow in a circuit? The motion of electrons. Next to them. A compressed spring possesses more energy than spring of normal length because the compressed spring has potential energy. The tendon has abundant with fibers. The diameter of the reflecting surface of spherical mirror is called an aperture. Which element has a total of 3 shell with 8 electrons in the last orbit, that is argon, which is used in making perfumes as well as flavoring agents, esters. Okay. So next question. Common salt is made up of a strong acid and a strong base. Strong acid and strong base. The reproductive parts of a flower are stamen and carpus. An element which an atomic number of 20 will form a basic oxide. Form of 20 will form a basic oxide. Involuntary action in human beings such as blood pressure, salivation and vomiting are controlled by the medulla. Which oxides of nitrogen is also known as laughing gas, N2O? So next show the concave mirror used in torches, shaving mirror in headlights. Okay. An element has an atomic weight W and an atomic number N. The number of protons the nucleus of an atom is N. The two column of charges float the cross section of conductor is 1. What will be the current flowing there? 2 amperes. The human body works within the pH range of 7.0 to 7.8. So next. SI unit of electric current is ampere. The 10th element in the Newland periodic classification resembles the 3rd. Genes are the carriers of heredity of materials. In water molecules, the ratio of mass of hydrogen to the mass of oxygen is always 1:8. The formula of C4H14 represents the hydrocarbon, that is hexane. By how many atomic mass units do subsequent member of homologous series difference as 14? So next. Which type reproduction allow greater variation of the generated. Sexual reproduction. What is the upward force exerted by water called buoyant force? The sensation of sound persists in the human brain for about 0.1 second. Stamen is a part of the male reproductive system in plants. Stamen is a part of the male reproductive system in plants. A conductor having some applicative resistance is called resistor. Which metal displaces iron from iron chloride, that is zinc? Identify a use of the isotopic of uranium, that is fuel in nuclear reactor. Parthenography is defined as development of fruit without fertilization. The number of valence electrons in an atom of phosphorus, that is 5. A unit of power is called watt. Delhi is located on the bank of river Yamuna. In concave mirror, when the object is placed at infinity, which of the applies to the image, that is real, inverted, highly diminished image at focus? Which animal has comparatively longer intestine, that is rabbit? In the modern periodic table, which have the two periods contains 8 elements, each 2 and 3. A blue flame is produced when the oxygen supply is sufficient. Okay, next. The unit of momentum is kg ms to the power of -1. Hydra reproduces budding. The percentage of carbon in carbon dioxide is 27.3. The solid carbon dioxide is known as dry ice. Name the stage of mitosis during which the chromosomes of dividing cell lies at the equatorial plate, that is metaphase. A computer always have CPU. Convert chemical energy into electrical energy, that is electrical cell. And this is the, and please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you and Jai Hind.